Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to contact TikTok support team. First of all, open TikTok. Click on its profile icon. Then click on menu from the right corner. Go into settings and privacy. Scroll down to report a problem. From here, click on Privacy Report Abuse. Then click on Other. Now from here, click on Need Help. Tell your problem in detail. Like, I want to change my age, but it's not possible. Then click on Submit. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.